How to use Windows 11 new volume mixer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the volume mixer. So for that you'll need to go to your settings. So dive into your settings and then on the left hand side you'll find system. So from here go to sound and then you can scroll down and here you'll find the volume mixer option. Tap on it and from here you can adjust the volume and then you can adjust volume for each apps that you want to. So it's really simple. You just need to drag the slider. You can even use the drop down and you can change the output device and the input device. So it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.